Good morning, y'all. Today is Wednesday. It is a rainy Wednesday. Hurricane Ian is on its way to Florida. It's supposed to hit sometime like in the middle of the night tonight. So I know a lot of places are actually closed tomorrow for Thursday, and a lot of places are closed today as well. So I don't know how today's gonna go for like DoorDash. I have Uber Eats on because you don't have to hit like you don't have to schedule or nothing. You can just go online. The only 3 orders they sent me were for Winn-Dixie. They were not good, and the one Winn-Dixie is really far. Oh, we got a Taco Bell order as I'm talking to y'all for 1.9 miles for $10. So let's go see if Taco Bell is open, because that's a high order. I have a dash scheduled from 11 to 2:30. So we'll see if I'm able to go online then, because no area is red at all, which I don't expect it to be busy because hello, it is like a hurricane time. But I don't know, y'all. All the Publix orders, which Publix is open till I think 4, they're not good, so I wasn't taking them. They're, you know, it is it's like hurricane time. People aren't tipping. It's like $2, $3, but you want 30 items. No, y'all. I'm not. That ain't about to be me. It might be somebody else, or your order might be sitting there all day. Bumpity bump. But if the places,
make a right turn.
My car's glitching. If the places are open today, they're definitely going to be closed for tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes today, y'all. So the Taco Bell, I forgot the inside opens at 9, so I went to go in and it was locked. So I went to the drive-thru. They were waiting on fresh hash browns, or hash browns all together probably. Got it dropped off. It's to a regular customer. And then I parked up by Chick-fil-A because I'm like, you know what, nothing in my plaza that I usually sit at is open right now, except for Publix. So I'm like, let me just sit over here because it'll be easier. And I got one for Kiki's, so I'm gonna go to Kiki's and see if they're open. I'm hoping that if they're sending orders for those, like the stores, that means that the store is open, you know. I guess I'm gonna find out. I don't really know. Today is all unpredictable, y'all, but it's still like drizzling right now. Not too bad. I have Patience rain jacket on because it has a hood, but I did bring my like not rain, but like waterproof hat today. But I'm gonna look funny in it, y'all. So I thought it was a little weird, right? Like I just dropped off the Uber Eats order, and I'm like, you know what? Let me go on DoorDash and like see if I can place an order. And sure enough, there's a message from DoorDash saying that for the safety of our community, we have suspended service in some areas at this time. We apologize for the inconvenience. So I don't think that we can get on DoorDash today. So that's kind of crappy, y'all. Kind of crappy. I mean, it's good in a way. Don't get me wrong. Like, safety is always important, but I'm trying to get that top dasher, y'all. Let me see if I type in the address, what it says. Let's see. Maybe it's not my area. Maybe it's somewhere else and it's just in my area. Pickup only for Taco Bell. Pickup only. Yeah, y'all. They definitely suspended the service on DoorDash because I just picked up from Kiki's on Uber Eats. So that is that. I'm not gonna make Top Dasher this month, so I'm a little upset. Unless they open back up on Friday, I would literally have to do DoorDash all day Friday. Okay, y'all, so I did go offline for probably like 45 minutes to go shopping with my mother-in-law. I was already at Publix and she needed some stuff, so I just started shopping for her until she came. And then while I was doing that, I did do a shop only for like $8. Publix is not closing at 6, they're closing at 12. So I hope that Instacart knows that. I don't know, but I'll be gone by then anyways, y'all, so that's good. But I am heading to Chick-fil-A now. I forget what the order was for $7, y'all, for 2.5 miles. So not a bad order. Publix is literally packed, y'all, packed. But I'm gonna head to Chick-fil-A and get this dropped off. Y'all, my Uber is going off like crazy. I think it's definitely because DoorDash is shut down, but a lot of the restaurants are closed. I know for sure Jersey Mike's is closed. I can see the sign on their door saying that they're closed. Tijuana looks pretty dark, so I don't know if they're gonna send any orders from Tijuana, but I know I've gotten a couple from Jersey Mike's already. This one is 8.7 miles for $7.68, so that is a definite no, y'all. I am not doing that. All the orders they're sending me are really far, so it's definitely no's for me. I'm still waiting to see if they're gonna send anything. I don't even know if Costco is open. They're sending orders for Costco, but they're not good ones. This is 7 miles for 7 items for 2 orders for $12, so and no, nope, and nope, not for me. Let's see what this one is. 6.8 miles for Pizza Hut for $3.77, and it looks like I'd have to drive 5 miles just to get to the Pizza Hut, so that is a no. Yeah, it took me a while before I just accepted the order just now. It's 11:45. I'm gonna go to Little Greek, see if they're open for this order. It was for $10 for 4 miles, not a problem for me. And it stays in my area instead of like all the orders they're sending me, they're taking me to either Altamont or like Orlando for the pickup itself and the drop off. So it's like, what? It's still like a steady rain. It hasn't stopped. It stopped earlier, like before I went shopping. And then ever since I like got into Publix, it's been raining ever since. So I'm gonna just assume that it's gonna be raining like the rest of the day. But we'll be home by 3:30, y'all. 3:30. I am so excited. I'm ready for a nap. I am exhausted. They were open and my order was ready, so I'm heading to deliver it. It was like almost 4 miles for the delivery. And I'm heading into Altamont, and it's raining a little bit harder over here, but I'm at the light right now. That's why I'm recording. And this one is a hand it to me, which I think it makes a lot of sense for today, especially right now because it's raining. Nobody wants their food to sit out in the rain and getting soaking nasty, you know? So that's the plan. To make a U-turn, so I took a double Uber. I didn't realize it was 2 different pickups, but that's all right for me. I don't know, I think the other Wendy's that they want, well, both the pickups are in Altamont, let me say that. So I'm going to Papa Joe's Pizza, which I don't know if I've ever been there. It's in Altamont. I might have been there one time. And then Wendy's, and the mileage is 9 miles, but it brings me back to my, like, right across from my plaza, which is perfect for me. So really, I'm just making like a big circle for $26.92. So I'm like, yep, I'll do that one. Y'all, I am so mad. I got to Wendy's, the door was closed, so I went through the drive-thru, and he's like, I'm sorry, we're currently closed. I said, it's for Uber. You guys didn't do no Ubers? And he said, no, we didn't. What? So why are you even, like, why would you take Uber orders? I don't understand that. So now, this was a really good order, but now it's probably not going to be that great of an order because I had to cancel the one order. Oh man, y'all. I should have known. Wendy's is always an issue. Well, let me not say always, but 98% of the time. So annoying. This is a no. 6 miles for $6 for Huey Magoo's. It's a no. I got $3 for the Wendy's order that I didn't do. And this is a Walmart order. No, I'm not doing no Walmart. And Uber gave me $1.97 for that drop off, so we'll have to wait until the hour to see what they tipped me. 10 miles for $7, so that is going to be a no as well. And I'm gonna head back towards Apopka, y'all. Yeah, I took another double Uber for the Mexican restaurant that I was picking up from last week at the other end of Hunt Club. So it's gonna take me almost 5 miles to get there because I'm still on my way back to Apopka. So it's 8 miles. So literally the deliveries are gonna be 3 miles for $17.55. So I'm like, you know what? That sounds pretty good to me. I'll take it, try and get my money up for the next hour and a half-ish until we head home, y'all. Got both of those orders picked up, and the first drop-off is 0.9 miles away, y'all. So super easy. So happy that they were open, and actually people were in there eating. Everywhere I think that I've picked up, everywhere that I've picked up, people have been eating. Craziness, crazy. Good for me though, for right now anyways. But it's gonna get nasty later, so I really hope that they do shut down Uber like before dinner time. Y'all, it's been a hot minute since I took an order. The last one that I did was the double one for that Mexican restaurant. All the orders they're sending me are for nowhere near me.
Using the middle lane, make a slide.
They're all for far. So they finally did send me one for the McDonald's right here. So I'm gonna go see if it's still open for 2.4 miles for $8.27. And then the tip came through for the
right lane, make a right turn on East Cimarron Boulevard.
Sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to go back onto Uber. The tip came through from the double Uber that I was supposed to do for the Wendy's and the pizza restaurant, and I got $9.97 from Uber for that. Well, from Uber and the tip included. So it was supposed to be $19, I think. Honestly, I don't even remember what it was supposed to be. It was supposed to be $26, y'all. And I got, so It was supposed to be 26 altogether, so I got 9, 10, 11, and I got 12. So that was pretty crappy. Very crappy. I'm pulling into McDonald's now, so I'm going to run in and grab it. They look open. Uh-oh, is the inside not open? Only the drive-thru, because the drive-thru line is long. Oh boy. Let me see how this goes. Do they have a sign on the door that says that they're closed inside? I see a sign on the door, y'all. What's it say? What's it say? Due to Hurricane Ian, the restaurant is temporarily closed. Does that mean the drive-thru too, though?
No.
Or just the inside?
Just the inside. Because they're bagging and ordering.
I see them bagging at Uber. But that's crappy. Why we gotta wait in the drive-thru if they're bagging the orders inside? I don't know. I see somebody coming through on the other side. I'm gonna see if he goes in or not. Or she goes in. I think it's a lady. I can't see. Y'all, I'm having bad luck. The inside was closed for McDonald's, so I waited like all that time in the drive-thru lane for them to tell me that they're not doing Uber. I don't understand how they can order Uber like from McDonald's if they're not doing Uber. Turn your freaking machines off, bro. Don't leave it on. That's a 20-mile order for $20. No, I'm not going 20 miles, people. That is insane. Insane. So I canceled it, and it's really easy to cancel now. Like, you don't have to talk to nobody. It's like an automated chat thing. And they gave me $3. So I waited 20 minutes for $3, y'all. Dumb. Good morning, y'all. So Wednesday, the day of the storm, it was a little rocky, which is to be expected. DoorDash was shut down completely, and then Uber Eats was going off the chain, but a lot of people must have forgot that it was a hurricane and were not tipping. So I was not about it. So all together, y'all, I took my first order around 8 a.m. and then my last one was like at 1:30, but I did go offline, so I'll say I was online for about 4.5, 5 hours. And with Uber, I did $81.64. With Instacart, I did $8.36 because I only did the one trip, and then all together, y'all, I did $90. So if I would have done the double Uber, I would have hit $100. But you know what? It is what it is. It turned out to be a good day. I got home. I did have to detour on the way home. Like, I took the back roads because I missed my turn to take 50 most of the way. So I took the back roads, and then there was like a bad accident or something. So they blocked the whole road. And I wish they would have blocked it like before you turned onto that road, because I'd already driven like 3 miles on that stretch before they're like, oh no, there's accident, turn around. So it set me back like 15 minutes because I had to figure out a different way to go. But I got home and that was it, y'all. We watched TV the rest of the day, and hurricane came and left now. But anyways, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have a great day, y'all.
A young boy being lay dreaming, and in the dream